Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, trader. Once again, your guy Nathaniel Tunde is here to prepare another video for you. It promises to be a great content. This time around, I'm not going to do much of analysis, but I want to talk on best trading strategy. I am doing this video to assist the new traders who will be watching me, who will be watching this video. I want to assist them. I don't want them to make mistakes that some of us made from the beginning. From the beginning, we're running after strategy. When we are using one and it doesn't give us enough profit, or maybe we blow our account, we say that strategy is not working, we have to jump to another strategy. We work on with that one, and for sometimes it doesn't give us what we want. Guys, we call it over, and we look for another strategy. This is how from the beginning around 2016, 17, we were jumping from strategy to strategy, experimenting, wasting our money, but I don't want anybody to ever make such mistakes again. And if you are watching this video and you are still running from pillar to post, looking for strategy, you are wasting your time. And this video is going to correct all those mistakes. So let's just get started. Is there really the best strategy? That is the question I want to ask you. Of course, you know the title of the video is the best trading strategy, but I'm not asking you, is there best trading strategy? No. First and foremost, what do you call trading strategy? So trading strategy is just the act of buying and selling of financial assets based on some certain rules. The act of buying and selling of financial assets, it may be forex, it may be stock, it may be bond, it may be commodity. The act of buying and selling them based on some certain rules is what is called strategy. Do you understand? What are those rules? The rules might be centered around indicator. So people will say, if you have, let me pull an indicator here. Let me pull out moving average. Moving average, for instance, as it is moving average. Okay. Is this showing? Why is it not showing? I want to pull moving average indicator. Let me say moving average. I want moving average. I must use moving average, guys. Moving average cross. Let's use this one. Okay. Some people will have this one there, and they say anytime they have crossover, maybe they have two moving average, anytime this candle break this one, they enter buy. That is their own strategy. Do you understand now? So their strategy is now centered on moving average crossover. So people can have strategy that is based on divergence. You see, anytime they see divergence in the market, they jump in. For instance, from here to here, it has made a lower low. They want to see the indicator is making a higher low. Oh, unfortunately, this one is making a lower low. So this one, they will not buy. Let's look at another one. For instance, this is an ending structure. It's making a higher high here. To look at the indicator, is it making a higher high? No, it's making a lower high. Boom. So they know from here, they know that this move will come. That is a strategy for them. Their strategy is just divergence trading strategy. All right. Some people can have a strategy that is solely based on trend line. Trend line. When they have this trend line here, they want to ensure that they keep on buying until this trend line is broken. So this trend line, if it's broken like this, they know that they are going to have correction and sell. Okay, but if not, because I wouldn't want to spend too much time, I will show you thousands of cases where trend line is broken like this, and instead of selling, it just break like this and continue to go up. So you now discover that there is nothing like best strategy, number one. Number two, Even if you have to use strategy, you have to combine three to four different strategies together to be able to beat the market. All right. There is no single strategy, no matter how powerful you think it is. There is no single strategy that can beat this market. This market is very smart. This market is very wise. The algorithm is designed to make people to fail. So if you don't have this understanding, you will think that you can compete with the market. You can't compete with the market. You cannot. The market is faster. The market is sharper. The market is more intelligent than you are. So do not think you can beat it. Do not think you can just work a single strategy and call it moving average crossover and think that is adequate to beat the market. The market will beat you. Silly. Don't think you can just craft a strategy around Elliott wave theory and say it is enough to beat the market. The market will beat you. Silly. Don't tell me you are a perfect man in analyzing structure based on divergence. The market will beat you if you work solely on that. So you must holistically look at the market. Don't look at one strategy. Don't follow anybody and say this is the strategy this one is using. Don't try that. If you try that, you will fail the way we failed from the beginning. I don't want you to fail. That is why I'm telling you now. Stop running after strategy. There is nothing like best strategy. All right? But I will tell you what you will do in place of that. Okay? So if the answer is no, then we should not be thinking of trading strategy, but rather we should think about what? Trading system. Guys, I'm giving you this information today. It's very powerful, guys. Never think about trading strategy. Trading strategy. Don't think about trading strategy. That trading strategy is just a set of rules that give you buy and sell guideline. Think holistically about the market by thinking about what? Trading system. So, on my channel, I have been focusing on what is making retail traders to fail. That's what I have been focusing on, because this project I am embarking on is to expose all areas where retail traders have failed and try to correct them. I told you, my channel is not like other people's channel. What I'm doing here is more of a project. I have done my research. All right, I carry out a university-graded research on retail traders. I found out why they were failing. All right, and part of my strategy to correct that was what brought about my free training and my free videos that I'm making available to you on YouTube. So part of it is exposing, your belief on trading strategy, focusing on a tiny line of the market and think that one will enable you to beat this market. This market is very smart. That is why the market is beating many people. But congratulations that you are watching this video today. You are going to start to beat the market right now, because you are no longer going to be following a trading strategy. You are going to develop a trading system instead. A trading system. Okay? You are going to have a trading system. Remember, this trading strategy you see here is going to form part of your trading system. So, meaning that a trading system is crypto. It's like a crypto, and a trading strategy is BTC. All right? Let me give you another example. A trading system is like furniture. Okay? It's like furniture. And a trading strategy is like a chair. Can you see? Or a table. A table. You see that a chair or a table is just part of, is a subset of what? of the furniture. So if you have a trading system, it's a holistic, it's a holistic process. It's a holistic process that captures what to trade, when to trade, and how to trade. You can see your trading strategy is only giving you a tiny bit of the explanation of this trading system. What is it telling you? Your trading strategy is telling you how to trade. Just how to trade. Is answering 1 out of 3. I've given you 3 questions. What to trade? What to trade? Okay. 2, how to trade? 3, when to trade? These are 3 questions that you need to answer. This trading strategy is only answering how to trade, majorly centered on what? Technical and fundamental analysis. Technical and fundamental analysis. That is what your trading strategy is giving you. If you are trading divergence, your divergence is a trading strategy and it is only on your chart. If you are trading Elliott wave theory, it's a trading strategy that is only on your chart. So your trading strategy, the best it's going to do for you is going to answer the question of how to trade. But what happened to what to trade? Can your trading strategy answer it? No. When to trade? Can your trading strategy answer it? Partly, yes, and largely, no. So what will holistically answer the question of what to trade, how to trade, when to trade is your trading system, guys. If that is the case, if your trading system is the one that will answer these 3 questions, then you must start from number 1, what to trade. This is the beginning of every trading adventure. You want to find out what to trade. What currency are you supposed to trade if you're a forex trader that's going to give you money? Since every subscriber that I have here are currency traders, I'm going to use example of currency to illustrate what to trade. Can you see? We're no longer talking of trading system now. We're no longer talking of trading strategy now. We are laying emphasis on trading system. Trading system. And in working out our trading system, we want to carve out the strategy to answer the question, what to trade, how to trade, and what? How to trade, and what? And when to trade. When to trade. And in answering the question, what to trade. Now, since we are currency traders, we want to look at what currency are we supposed to trade? What currency are we supposed to ignore? What currency are we to put on hold to be traded in future? For instance, these are 3 things. What to trade? I've told you, you need to look at the fundamental analysis of the currencies you want to trade. For instance, if we put Euro GBP, I'll only use this as an example, or Euro CAD, but let me use Euro GBP as an example. Okay, we have found out that interest rate on Euro is 0, and that of GBP has been increased to 1. So this should strengthen, GBP should strengthen, Euro should weaken. And so if that is the case, we are looking forward to what? Euro GBP sell. Euro GBP sell. Now, you have concluded on what to trade now. Euro GBP. It has answered the question for you, what to trade. Your system, you have used fundamental analysis to know what to trade, that you want to trade Euro GBP because there is a differential of interest rate from 0 to 1. And therefore, you expect Euro to sell against the GBP. Do you get it now? So since you are now expecting Euro GBP to sell, the next question you should ask yourself is how to trade. How to trade. This how to trade now will be answered by what? By technical analysis. This is when you now go back to technical analysis. If you are a day trader, you can just go to daily. So okay, you can go to daily. When this pair was here, let me see, do something. When this pair was here, boom. Hold on. when this pair was here, I want to do a replay. It's not just working. What's going on here? I want to do a replay. It's not just working. Okay, let's just move on. When this pair was here, guys. Okay, I think it's there now. Boom. All right. When this pair was here, you want to sell. You want to sell. All right. That is what the question what to trade has given you. Now, you have finished answering the question what to trade. You have concluded on Euro GBP. Now, you are now coming to how to trade. You now come to Euro GBP, how to trade. You want Euro GBP to be at the top in order to give you the greatest push to the downside. So look at a price here. Look at another price here. This is not, it has not met the top. We had a previous top before this one. So you should expect this market to break this top, and as soon as it breaks this top, get ready to execute what you get from what to trade. What to trade is Euro GBP, and then is it supposed to be a buy or sell? It's a sell. Then you come to technical, answer the question, how do you trade it? You want to trade it from the top, where it will give you the best price to sell. Do you get it now? So if you play this one now, you want it to get to the top, let it break this top, it has broken it, correct. At this level now, you can see that this market has come to the best price for you to sell. This is where you can now take this market to lower time frame and begin to see the behavior of the market. You are now doing something that resembles technical analysis now. Can you see that resembles strategy now? You now want to use a strategy that, oh, if you see a consolidation after the market has gotten to the level where you want it to get to, you want it to consolidate and you want it to break to the upside and you sell from there. So you can see we are playing. Just let it play. Let it play. Let it play. Let it consolidate. Can you see? Let it consolidate. Let it consolidate. You want it to break that consolidation to the upside. That is the strategy you now set. If you break to the downside, you let it go back to the upside. Just watch, watch, watch. Just watch, watch. Can you see? Breaking to the upside now. Breaking to the upside because it has to pick liquidity. It has picked. Boom. Can you see? It has picked liquidity. So you now see how to trade. This is now a strategy that is part of the system. Remember, a trading strategy is just giving you how to trade. How do you look at the market in terms of technical analysis? Is it divergence you are looking at? Is it liquidity? Is it this? That is trading strategy. But trading system is a holistic process that tells you what to trade, that tells you how to trade, that tells you when to trade. What quantity are you supposed to trade? How much of your money are you supposed to risk? That is a trading system, guys. So now this has given us how to trade. We have answered the question how to trade right now. Okay, but you know that when this price was at the middle, we did not touch it because the answer that we gave to what to trade has told us that we should sell Euro GBP because of the fundamentals that we look at. But Euro GBP was at the middle here. There is no way we can sell Euro GBP here because no investor will sell here. Investor will want it to move to the upside, break this top, get the best price, then sell. That is the motive of the investor. And that is how to think like an investor. That is how to think like a liquidity provider. That is how to think like the bank. So I find it very funny when retail traders at this level now, they'll be looking for sell. Retail traders, this one now, they'll be looking for sell here, buy here, sell here, buy. You don't look at the market like that. That is why most retail traders are failing. For instance, look at this place now. Look at it. Look at this price. Market came down. This was the best price that they could sell here. But you know, you have this consolidation here. Did it break to the upside? No, because it didn't break to the upside, rather it broke to the downside, gave me reason that it's coming to grab liquidity here at demand and to move up. And as soon as it move up and break this equal top, this triple top, it's going to fall down. And if you go to lower time frame, you will see the structure that we always trade. You see consolidation, break up to the upside and fall. Look at consolidation, break up to the upside and fall. Can you see it now? So this is how to trade. This is now what resemble a trading strategy. The pattern you have to look at in the market before you execute. This is what look like a trading strategy. Then the third part of a trading system that is very crucial for you to understand, guys, is when to trade. When to trade. Your trading systems will tell you when to trade. Which session do you understand? Is it London session you understand very well? Is it New York session you understand very well? You must be able to decide. Of course, nobody should like Asian session because Asian session is consolidation. Asian session stay in one place. It doesn't move at all. Can I show you Asian session? Yes, I can show you. This is 2200. Let me show you right away. Right away, guys. Right away. I will show you now. This is 2200. This is Asian session start here. All right. Asian session start here. Even including London, there was consolidation everywhere here. Then boom, here. All this area, you have Asia session, Asia range, even some New York, everything, this market was consolidating. You know, the problem with EURGBP, it can consolidate a lot. But when you want to spread and move, you see it will expand and move. Do you understand now? So if you take this one further to 15 minutes time frame, 15, you will see it clearly. You will see it clearly. The part that is solely Asia here. This is Asian start here and end here. 7. Asian session end here. Do you see it? From here down here, you can see that it moved. That's London. This one moved London. Look at where Asian session starts again. Can you see 19, 20, 21, 22? Can you see from 22, Asian here, Asian here, Asian here, Asian stop here, 7, 8, London start here. Can you see London move? You will see the difference. You will definitely see the difference. Do you get it? Okay, let's look at this. This consolidation now must be Asian session. Let's look at it. Can you see? Let's start from here, 13. All right, 17, 19. From here, 22. Can you see from here to here? To here. That's Asian session. Can you see London? Boom, to the upside. So the range must always be there. So nobody should tell me that he wants to be trading Asian session, but you like to trade from London to New York. I always encourage my traders who are, my students who are day traders to trade only London, New York overlap, starting from, 1 p.m. Nigeria time or 13 plus 2 GMT. Starting from that, you will love it, guys. So that is when to trade. You must be able to decide on, on the session you want to trade, and not just the session you want to trade, the time within the session that you want to trade, you must determine it. Okay? So before you continue, guys, just watch this video to the end. In a short while, it will be over. But remember, if you have not subscribed to this channel, you better do. Just do subscribe to it, because I'm bringing a series of video that's going to change a lot of things. I'm telling you, it's going to change a lot of things. I have sleepless night writing the script. All this video I do for you, I have to write the script. I have to write it like books. I'm documenting the series. Somebody has requested Elliott wave theory. I'm going to detail Elliott wave theory and produce the video in sequence for you guys. Just subscribe the channel. Subscribe it. Immediately you are watching. Remember, anything you are comfortable with there, just go to the comment section, guys. Go and put it there. Write it there for me. Write it there. That's what will make me to know that you have watched this video. Write it there. What you are not comfortable with, write it there, so that I will know how to improve. If I'm too fast in explanation, write it there. If I'm too slow, write it there. If my English is not correct, tell me your English is not correct. If it's not correct, but you are understanding me, tell me, though your English is wrong, though your English is not correct, but I was getting you clearly. Write down, guys. All I'm interested in is not the grammar, it's not the English. I want everybody to be successful. That is my interest. Okay, I've seen this market, black and white. I've seen the secret. The secret is in my hand. The secret code is here, guys. Just watch the video. I will show you. Keep on watching. I'm going to show you the secret, white and black. Do you understand? So never think on trading strategy. Don't follow strategy. Follow trading system. Develop this trading system. Focus on it, and it will change your trading career for life. Changing strategy from one to the other is one of the habits that destroy retail traders. I am saying this for the benefit of those who are still juggling from one strategy to another strategy. The fastest way to kill your trading career is jumping from strategy to strategy. And let me tell you something. There is no strategy that you see in the marketplace that is not good. It is the misapplication of the strategy that makes you worse off. For instance, somebody who is trading trend line and does not know liquidity, does not know Fibonacci, does not know market structure, will fail. Like somebody who is trading divergence and he doesn't know what is called an ending structure. He doesn't know what is called trend continuation. He doesn't know Fib. He will fail. The person will fail. So you don't just learn narrow things in the market and expect to beat the market. I've told you this market is very smart. And the algorithm that is designed for this market is designed to make people to fail so that the rich will make money. So you must learn how the rich play the game. Follow them with your little cash. And as they are making their millions of dollars, billions of dollars, you'll be making your own thousands of dollars. I think I have been able to convince you on this video. Give me a comment in the comment section below and let me know how you feel about this video. Apart from that, you know that whatever video I'm producing, it is as a result of your own comment and what you say you want. Remember, I am not producing this video for myself. I already know what I'm doing. I'm producing them for you so that you know what to do and for you to avoid avoidable mistakes. All right, that is why I'm producing the video. So your comment in this comment section is very, very vital for me, and it will help me to shape on what I need to do for you to benefit. All right, I think I've come to the end of this video. I see you next time. Peace.